In this episode, I will go over the issue of montage top and tail and using markers. If I have a music file and want to add on some photos and sync them with each other, I can use this software. Let's listen to a track together. Well, I need to add some photos on this track. First, I'll lock this so that it won't undergo any changes. I select the footages which I have here and bring them into the timeline. Well, some of these footages have sounds which I don't need. I can inactivate the button Link Selection and remove the audios. The easiest way to order these files is to watch every single of these files, separate wherever I want, and add it on the music. There are two very important shortcut buttons here, the shortcut button Q and the shortcut button W. For instance, I want the first file to start from here and I won't need this part anymore. I can simply press the shortcut button Q and ripple delete the first piece. Also, I want my file to end here. I just need to press the shortcut button W and as you can see, all the rest of this file will be deleted from this point on. And that's how the ripple editing is done. The next file, for example, from here up to here. The next file from here up to here. Sometimes I don't need to be ripple deleted, and when this file is deleted, I want that space to remain empty. Here, I just need to press the shortcut button Ctrl, Alt, and Q, and you see that the first part was deleted, but not ripple deleted, and this empty space is left for me, and I can simply move them wherever I want. Also, the shortcut button Alt and W, which can delete the rest of the file from me without ripple deleting. I continue this, Q, W. Well, you see that this distance is in all of the files. I press ripple delete, Q, W, Q, W, Q, and W.
You can watch the other secrets of Premiere Pro in our training course in LearnK and Udemy websites.
Well, my files are ready, and now I can move the files by the tools Ripple and Trim and reach the point I like and decide where the two files connect to each other. This is the simplest way I can use to coordinate the videos and audios. But there's also another way named as using markers, and you can use the markers to add the files onto the music. To do this, first you need to choose which points are suitable for you to put in the photos. First, as a start, I press the shortcut button M and mark it. For example, this point is good. Press M, the shortcut button minus. For example, this point, the shortcut button M. You can tell which parts are good based on the shape of the waves. Here, M.
For learning some quick ways to create a connection between the timeline and the source panels, you can click on the link above to watch how our source panel and timeline panel related video.
And at the end also M. I come to the beginning again. Well, I know that my video files will go in between these markers, so I choose my files. I just need to drag them into the button Automate to Sequence. It is some buttons like ordering, which is according to the order of those files, where I choose the button Sort Order as a test here. Placement, where there are two buttons sequentially and at unnumbered markers. I choose this button because I want it to go in between the markers. The next is the method for editing the file. I choose Insert Edit, which I already have talked about. They were the shortcut buttons period and comma. And also, there are some other buttons which I have here, like Still Clip Duration, where I can select the button frames per still, and the most important buttons are Ignore Audio and Ignore Video, and the button Ignore option. While I do not need the audio because I want it to sync with the music and some of my files have audio, I tick this button so that it deletes the audio of my files and then click on OK. Well, you see that the files have gone in between those markers in order. The point here is that all these files start from the beginning, like this file. I can also choose the start and finish points of these files before selecting them all and put them into the sequence button. For example, I want this file to start from here. I can prepare all these files in advance and then I can drag them all and drop them into the timeline. Well, let's take a look at this together.
Thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, where we have plenty of more videos for you.